How to fix Guild Wars Reforged crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now under General tab, Launch Options box, you want to type -dx11 like this, or you can try d3d11 if the first command did not work. And then you want to go to the Installed Files tab and click on Verify the integrity of game files and wait for it to finish checking. And once this is done, you can close Steam and then open up your browser, search for Redist, and then click on this first link, scroll down to this table here, and download and install the 86 and the 64 version of the redistributables if you are running a 64 Windows system. Now, once you finish installing or repairing these, it might ask you to restart your computer. But before you do that, you will also need to check if you have the latest graphics card updates installed. So if you have an NVIDIA card, you can install the NVIDIA app and go to the drivers tab from here and select Game Ready driver. Check for the latest updates and download and install them. And if you have an integrated GPU, you can basically look up your laptop or computer model. So for example, HP15S driver, and click on the first link if you have an HP laptop, which is common. And then you can select your Windows 10 or operating system from here. And you can select the version, and this should give you all the available drivers, including integrated GPU drivers. You can search for any model. And once you finish installing those, you will need to restart your system. So you can click on restart from here or from the redistributable installation. And after the reboot, you can look up Steam, right click on it and run as admin. Now you can proceed to launch the game again, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.